Are you a musician and you feel like people are not listening to you the way they should? You feel like every time you put out music, you don't get the response that you feel like you'd get, or you feel like, oh, if you had money to push music the way, the stars, the celebrities push their music, and you are feeling like, oh, you want to pack up everything and leave and just, start a new job or go get a job, as opposed to the music that you believe that, oh, this is your calling. So I'm doing this to tell you that don't give up. Don't pack up and leave. It's almost time for it, if you know what I mean. It's almost time for that thing you've been waiting for. That is why the pressure is so high and so hard on you right now. You know how hard it gets when a man wants to come. You know how gets hard. I don't know if I'm to say that here, but yeah, I'm not a motivational speaker, by the way. So this is just to tell you that you're about to bust. So keep going, don't stop. My name is Krizbeatz. Peace.